Alright, YouTubers, just like to do a quick review of Circuit Specialties Variac. What you get in the box is basically 2 fuses and 1 Variac. What you might get in the box is one that don't even damn work. If you listen to this, when I turn the knob, you'll hear a grinding. There's nothing wrong with that. That's after I fixed it. That's your contact, your brush, actually doing what it's supposed to do and contacting the coil, the top of the coil. If you have my luck, you order one of these, the light will come on, but when you turn the knob, you get no voltage. You have to tear this off. You got 2 set screws, there and there, to take the knob off. And then you've got a ground screw underneath of this, which also needs to be removed and paint removed if you actually want the ground screw to ground. And then you've got this tiny screw here, which I don't even know how it stayed in, because I can't even get the screw back in. But that goes right there. So right now, I'm going to have to get me another screw, something a little longer, because that just won't, that does not have the depth. After fixing this, it works fine. I feel like if I pay good money, order a brand new one, then it'll work out of the box. I shouldn't have to tear it apart. I've seen other reviews where the meter didn't work at all. And people just wired up a new meter. I would never do that. I might order up a different meter. I have not tested the accuracy of this meter or the total output, but overall, I would have to give a ding to Circuit Specialties. I would not recommend you buy one of their products unless you feel like fixing it when it gets to your door.